Now here is the next question. Construct a triangle of sides 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter, and then triangle similar to it whose sides are 2 by 3 of corresponding sides of the first triangle. First, draw a line segment BC of 6 centimeter with the help of a scale. Then take a compass and a scale and take a distance of 5 centimeter. Then taking B as a center, draw an arc then taking C as a center and a distance of 4 centimeter. So take C as a center and a distance of 4 centimeter. Cut the previous arc. And now join this point of intersection and B and this point of intersection and C. And this point will be point A. So this will be A. And this is the triangle ABC with the given sides 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter and this is 4 centimeter. Now from B, draw a ray BX making an acute angle with side BC. Now here this is 2:3, so 3 is the bigger number. So taking B as a point and a radius of suitable measure, draw an arc then keeping the same distance and taking this point of intersection as a center, draw another arc and taking this point of intersection as a center and keeping the same distance, draw a third arc. Let this be points B1, this is B2 and this point is B3. Now join this B3C and from B2 draw a line segment parallel to B3C which intersects BC side at point C dash. To draw a parallel line from B2, take B3 as a center and any suitable radius, draw an arc then taking B2 as a center and the same distance as taken in the previous draw the another arc. Now coming to this point and taking a distance equal to the 2 points of intersection, come to this point and draw the arc intersecting the previous arc. Now from B2, draw a line segment passing through this point of intersection and joining BC. So from B3, B2, a line segment passing through this point of intersection that meets the BC at point C dash. So this point of intersection will be C dash. Now from this point C dash, draw a parallel line segment which is parallel to AC. It will meet AB at A dash. Now to draw a parallel line from C dash, take C as a center and any radius of suitable length, draw an arc. Now keeping the same distance, go to the point C dash and from this C dash point draw the arc. Now coming back to this point, taking this point as a center and a distance between these two intersecting points, come back to this point and draw an arc intersecting the previous arc. Now from this point C dash, draw a line segment passing through this point of intersection that intersects the AB side at A dash. So from this C dash point, draw a line segment passing through this point of intersection and intersecting the line segment AB, and this point is A dash point. So here this point is A dash, and therefore A dash B C dash is the required triangle. Now the next question is, construct a triangle with sides 5 cm, 6 cm and 7 cm, and then another triangle whose sides are 7/5 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. So first we have to construct the triangle with sides 5 cm, 6 cm and 7 cm. This you know how to draw a triangle with given 3 sides. So first construct a line segment of 7 centimeter, then taking one end as a center and a radius 5 centimeter, draw an arc, then taking another end of the line segment as center and a radius of 6 centimeter, draw another arc intersecting the previous one. Then join this point of intersection and one end point and the point of intersection and the other end point. So this becomes the required triangle, a triangle with 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 7 centimeter of length. So it will be A, B, and this point will be C. Now draw AX ray such that it makes an acute angle with AB side. Now on AX ray, draw 7 arcs at equal distances from point A. So here this will be the AX ray, and on this AX ray we have to draw 7 arcs at equal distances from point A. Now take A as the center and any suitable radius, draw an arc, then this point of intersection will be A1, then taking A1 as the center, draw another arc, this will be A2, then taking A2 as a center, draw the third arc. Now taking A3 as a center, draw the fourth arc, then taking A4 as the center, draw fifth arc, then taking A5 as the center, draw sixth arc, and then the seventh arc. So here these are the 7 arcs at the equal distances from vertex A. So name them as A1, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6 and A7. Now here we do not join A7B because the numerator is bigger and the denominator is smaller, and so here in this case we join A5B. Now from A7 point draw a parallel line which is parallel to A5B. So definitely it will be to this side and we will have to extend the AB line segment further. Now extend the line segment AB to B dash, and now from A7 draw a line segment which is parallel to A6B. Now taking A6 as a center and radius of any suitable length, draw an arc joining these two line segments. Now take this A7 point and then draw the arc Now go to this point as a center and the radius equal to the points of intersection. Take this as the center, cut the arc, intersecting the previous arc. Now from point A7, draw a line segment passing through this point of intersection to the point on B dash. So from A7 point, draw a line segment passing through the point of intersection to the point on the B dash. Let this point be B dash. Now from B dash point, draw a line parallel to BC, intersecting the line segment AC if it is produced. Now take B as a center and any suitable radius, draw an arc intersecting these two sides, then keeping the same distance, take B dash as a center and draw an arc. Then taking this point as a center and a distance between the 2 points of intersection, take this point and draw an arc intersecting the previous arc. Now from B dash, draw a line segment passing through this point of intersection. So from this B dash point, draw a line segment passing through this point of intersection and intersecting the line segment AC if produced. So from this point, produce AC intersecting this line segment and let this point of intersection be C dash. This point of intersection is C dash, and therefore A B dash C dash is the required triangle. A B dash C dash is a required triangle. Now the next question is, construct an isosceles triangle whose base is 8 cm and altitude is 4 cm, and then another triangle whose sides are one integer 1/2 times that of the corresponding sides. Now here the base of the triangle is given as 8 cm, altitude of the triangle is given as 4 cm, and we have to construct another triangle whose sides are one integer 1/2, it means 3/2 times the corresponding sides. Since the base is given as 8 cm, first draw a line segment with the help of a scale of 8 cm, name it as AB. Now draw a perpendicular bisector of AB. To draw a perpendicular bisector of AB, take A as a center and distance more than half of AB, draw an arc to the one side of a triangle and also draw an arc to the other side of the triangle. Now taking B as the center and the same radius, draw an arc to the one side of the line segment so that it will intersect the previous arc, and similarly on the other side draw an arc so that it will intersect the previous arc. Now from this point of intersection draw a line segment intersecting the line segment AB, and that will be the perpendicular bisector of AB. So draw a perpendicular bisector of AB and let this point of intersection be M. So this is M. Now taking M as the center and a distance of 4 cm, because altitude is 4 cm, draw an arc cutting this bisector. Now take a distance of 4 cm and taking M as the center, draw an arc cutting the perpendicular bisector of AB. Let this point of intersection be C. Now join CA and CB. So join CA and CB. And now we have got the triangle ABC, which is an isosceles triangle whose base is 8 cm and the altitude is 4 cm. AC is equal to BC. Now we have to construct another triangle whose sides are 3 by 2 times that of the corresponding sides. Now as we have done in the previous cases, draw any acute angle BAX. Let this be X point. And so this is the acute angle. Now as we have done in the previous cases, take A as a center and any radius of suitable length, draw an arc. Let this be A1. Then taking A1 as the center, draw another arc. Let this be A2, and taking A2 as a center, draw a third arc, and this will be A3. So here this is A1, this is A2, and this is A3. Because here we have to take a ratio of 3:2 and the numerator is greater, so we will take 3 arcs at an equal distance from the point A. Now join A2 and B. Now from A3, draw a line parallel to A2B such that it will meet a line segment AB at B dash when AB is produced. So to draw this parallel line, take A2 as a center and take any suitable radius and draw an arc. Now keeping the same distance and taking A3 as a center, draw an arc. Now keeping this pointer here, taking this as a center, now taking this point as a center and a distance between the 2 points of intersection, take this as a center and draw an arc intersecting the previous arc. Now from A3, draw a line segment passing through this point of intersection and meeting the AB at B if produced. Now produce AB and now from A3, draw a line segment passing through this point of intersection and meeting AB at point B dash. Now from B dash, draw a parallel line to BC. To draw a parallel line from B dash, take B as the center and draw an arc intersecting these two sides. Keeping the same distance and B dash as the center, draw an arc. Now taking this point as a center and a distance between these 2 points of intersection, take this point as the center and draw an arc cutting the previous arc. Now draw a line segment from point B2 passing through this point of intersection. So draw a line segment passing through B dash and passing through this point of intersection, and now produce AC so that it will meet this line segment at point C dash. So we will produce AC Now the next question is, draw a triangle ABC with side BC is equal to 6 cm, AB is equal to 5 cm and angle ABC is equal to 60 degrees, then construct a triangle whose sides are 3 by 4 of the corresponding sides of the triangle ABC. Now here the two sides are given and one angle ABC is given at 60 degrees, and we have to construct a triangle ABC first. So to construct a triangle ABC, first draw BC is equal to 6 centimeter line segment. So this is BC as 6 centimeter line segment. Let this point be B and this point is C. Now angle B is given at 60 degrees, and therefore construct an angle of 60 degree at B. To construct an angle of 60 degree at B, take B as a center and a radius of any suitable length. Draw an arc. Now taking this point as a center, draw an arc cutting the previous arc. Now draw a line from point B passing through this point of intersection, and this is an angle of 60 degrees. Now AB is given as 5 centimeter, and that A point must be on this line, and therefore take a radius of 5 centimeter and B as a center. Draw an arc cutting this line. So here take B as a center, and with compass take a distance of 5 centimeter, then take B as a center and cut the arc so that it will cut this line. And so this point will be A. Now join CA and then ABC will be the required triangle. Now we have to construct a triangle whose sides are 3/4 of the corresponding sides of the triangle ABC. So take B point, and from B point draw an acute angle CBX. So this point will be X, and now since greater of 3 and 4, 4 is the greater number, so from B draw 4 arcs at equal distances. So to draw 4 arcs at equal distances, take B as the center and the radius of suitable length draw an arc. This point will be B1. Now take B1 as the center and draw another arc. This point will be B2. And then draw third arc, then take B3 as a center, draw the fourth arc. So these four arcs will be at equal distances from point B, and so name these points of intersection as B1, this as B2, this as B3, and this as B4. Now since the denominator is greater, join this last point of intersection B4 to B4 to C. Now from B3, draw a parallel line to B4C so that it will intersect BC at point C dash. So from B3 we will draw a parallel line. So to draw a parallel line, take B4 as the center and any suitable radius, draw an arc. Now take B3 as a center and keeping the same radius, draw another arc. Now here take this point of intersection as center and a distance equal to the points of intersection this distance, take this point as a center and draw an arc intersecting the previous arc. Now from this B3, draw a line segment passing through this point of intersection, intersecting it to the BC at point C dash. So from this B3 passing through this point, it meets the BC at C dash, so give this as C dash. Now from C dash, draw a parallel line to CA so that it will meet AB at point A dash. Now to draw a parallel line, take C as a center and a suitable distance, draw an arc. So keeping the same distance, come to this point C dash and from this point C dash, draw an arc. Now again go back to this point and take a distance equal to the distance between these 2 points of intersections, then come back to this point and draw an arc intersecting the previous arc. Now from this point C dash, draw a line segment passing through this point of intersection and intersecting the side AB at point A dash. So from this point C dash, draw a line segment that passes through this point of intersection and intersects the AB at A dash. So let this be point A dash. And therefore the triangle A dash B C dash is the required triangle. Now students, we will stop here. Here we have seen how to construct the similar triangles to the given triangle, and in the next session we will see the construction of tangents to a circle. Thank you very much.